2019 Genesis G70. If you want to know where the cabin filter is and how to change it, it's going to be located behind your glove box here. You're going to want to take your things out of your glove box. We are going to drop it. Come over here, then you have a damper that you're going to disconnect. All you got to do is pull on it. There's a little clip here actually. If you just pull on it, okay, it'll just unsnap like that. Okay, don't worry, it sounds kind of crazy, but it'll go right back on. And you have these knobs here where you're going to turn counterclockwise and remove. Okay, these are the actual stoppers for the glove box. And there's one over here too. And then the glove box will just fall down, and all you have to do is squeeze this side, and this door will come off. The cabin filter's in here. Okay, and there's the filter. And just yank it right out. This one's pretty much brand new. The car's brand new, just checking it today. If you need to get one, I'll leave a link down in the description box below. And you get your new one, just throw it back in there. You can see that it's marked with the airflow. Put on this side first, lock it, come back over here, go ahead and put the damper back on, hold the glove box, get your knobs, stick them back in, and you're going to turn them clockwise inward.